Hello Steve, this is VDO Marine Service from the Netherlands, and this is just a movie after repair of the main VDO gauge and the closed hull from VDO. Unfortunately we have also had to open this meter because some potentiometers in it have to be sprayed with contact cleaner, and now it is functioning well. And we had also had to trim it because we had several components removed and replaced in this main VDO gauge, and when we did repair it, it is also working well. So I will show this. I will move our VDO wind type 2, and you will see the function on the meters. So. When it's on 180 degrees, you will go back to 0 in the closed hole. Now we go to the other side. On 100 degrees, you also have to 60 degrees on your closed hole. So go slowly back to 60 degrees on this one. Yes. And now he is going back to 30. Closed hole is also going back to 30 degrees. Now we go back to 0. And it's also slowly going back to 0. Okay, this was the movie from VDO Marine Service in the Netherlands, and so you can see it's all working well again. Bye bye.